Hey everyone! So I stumbled upon this super cool tool recently, and let me tell you, it's like magic for anyone who's ever dreamed of being a comic book creator. Imagine being able to spin your own comic tales with just a few clicks and a bit of imagination. Sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? But here's the kicker. It's absolutely possible, all thanks to the wonders of AI technology. All you need to do is jump onto Google and search for AI Comic Factory Hugging Face. Click on the very first link you see, and voila, you're on your way to crafting some seriously epic comic book stories. The user interface is a dream to navigate. No hidden gimmicks or anything, just straightforward comic creating fun. Choose your desired comic style, pick the grid layout that suits your story best, flick on the captions toggle for automatic text area and speech bubble generation, and then dive into the storytelling part. You'll split your prompt into two essential sections. The first part should outline the general plot, giving a clear direction for your story, and the second part should dive into the details about your character. Think physical appearance, personality quirks, and any specific elements you want to include in your narrative. Hit the go button and watch as your story comes to life, frame by frame. Let's take a fun example. Our main character, Matt, coincidence? I think not, accidentally discovers a mysterious item in a package in his room, granting him mind-reading powers. Wouldn't that be awesome? Picture Matt as a tall guy, short blonde hair, piercing blue eyes, medium build, rocking a blue shirt. With the press of the go button, the tool generates a comic layout filled with consistent images of Matt, adds intriguing details to the background to enrich the story, and even provides the opening line along with speech bubbles for you to fill in. This tool essentially lets you shape and fine-tune your narrative, turning your vision into a tangible comic page right before your eyes. How awesome is that? Once you've filled in the text and tweaked the story to your heart's content, you can download your creation and move on to crafting the rest of your comic book. And if you're thinking about a cover that captures the essence of your story, just check out my video tutorial on creating stunning images using Midjourney. It's all there to help you put the perfect finishing touch on your masterpiece. Seriously, give this tool a whirl. It's not just about creating something cool, it's about unleashing your creativity, telling stories that matter to you, and seeing them come alive in the most visually engaging way. And hey, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to show some love by hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel. Your support helps us bring more awesome content your way. Have a great one, and let's go make bazillions.